how to get access to Adobe Premiere Pro free trial. So before you purchase the product, Adobe lets you try the product for free for 7 days or 1 month depending on the product. So for Premiere Pro, I think it's 7 days. So let's see how you can access the free trial. Go to your browser and search for Adobe Premiere Pro. And once you search for it, here you will see a link for free trial details. So just open the link, and right here you can see start a free trial. And here are different kind of plans you can choose from. So here is annual paid monthly, annual prepaid, or monthly. So different kind of plans and pricing. You can choose the one that's suitable for you. And if you want to save some money, you can go with students and teachers, because Adobe gives discount to students and teachers. So instead of $59.99, it will only cost you $19.99 for the first year. So after that, it will cost you $34.99, so basically $35. Once you do this, you can also check this box to add a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock, and you can also get up to a 10 standard assets. So that's always good. So once you do that, if you don't know what comes under Creative Cloud apps, you can just see what's included on Creative Cloud. All of these apps will be included in Creative Cloud. So if you just go to Student and Teachers and select this Creative Cloud All app, you can save some money. Simply click on Continue. And once you do that, you can select these Adobe stocks and AI Assistant for your Adobe Acrobat as well. If you don't want them, it's alright, you can just simply continue. Here you will have to enter your email address, so I'm just gonna verify with my email address right here. And finally, on the checkout page, you can add your payment details, your credit or debit card, or you can pay with Amazon Pay or even PayPal. So once you do that and agree and subscribe, then you will start your 7-day free trial right here, and you can always cancel your subscription and get your refund. And that's how you get access to a free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.